Whenever a vendor is running a business, the vendor needs to make sure that the products are up to date and is in demand among customers. But sometimes the vendor may need to add new products in order to satisfy consumer demand, which he or she can do so with the help of Products tab. Hence, to add new products, you need to tap on the Products tab, tap on Add New Product, enter the product name. Now select a category for that product. For example, let's select Oreo as in biscuits and cookies. You can select a list of products from the JD library, or you can create your own new product. Let's create a new product. Now add an image for that product. You can upload an image from a gallery or from the URL. Let's upload an image from gallery. You can see the image as shown. Now tap on the image. You can see this image is a primary one. This will be the main image that will be shown on the website. If you want to add another image, tap on the camera icon. Here also you can upload image from gallery or from the URL. Let's upload an image from gallery. A secondary image gets displayed. Now below you can see the product name, the product type and the display category. You can add another display category if you like. Now you can even add unit of measurements. Since this is a biscuit product, let's add unit of measurement in terms of packets. If you want to sell this product as packed or in a bunch, you can enable this option. Enter the net weight content for these products. If you want to add some description for the products, you can do so by tapping on Add Description option. Enter some description. And tap on Save. If you want to attach files or brochure for advertisement purposes, you can attach files in this field. Now enter the quantity and pricing details for that product. You can even add cost price and generate barcode as well. You can even add the manufacturing date or the expiry date. You can add tax details for the product for within and outside the state as well. You need to tap on Save for every details that you have entered. You can select delivery details for that product. If you want to sell the product on a website, you need to enable this option as on, that is the sell online option. If you want to sell the product in bulk, you need to enable sell online in bulk option and enter the details. If you want your customers to send enquiry to you regarding this product, you need to enable receive enquiry option and enter the details. If you want your products to maintain a particular quantity, you can check the stock reorder details option. Here you can maintain your reorder levels so that your product won't reach a low critical limit and you won't face any low inventory issues. You can even enter the associated brand and manufacturer details. Finally, entering all the details, you can tap on save. You can view the product by tapping on the View Products tab. You can see the product here. If you want to edit the product details, tap on the product. Edit the product details wherever you like and tap on save. So this was all about creating, editing the products present on your website. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can comment below or contact our customer support team. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further updates.